Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants la Exercise 1.1 la Problem number 5. If the given matrix A is equal to 1 by 9 minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4, then prove the result A inverse is equal to A transpose என நிறுவுக. So solution பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் first I am going to prove the result. To prove A inverse is equal to A transpose, so pre-multiple by A on both sides. So A inverse which is equal to A into A transpose. So we know that A inverse which is equal to A inverse A is equal to I, identity matrix. So on the I property and apply பண்றேன். A inverse is equal to I, which is equal to A transpose. So interchange பண்ணி எழுதிக்கிறேன். A transpose which is equal to identity matrix. So this is a result to prove the original result. A inverse is equal to A transpose. Therefore, that is to prove that. That is to prove. Now to prove the result A transpose is equal to identity. So A matrix is equal to 1 by 9 of minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. Then I am going to find A transpose matrix. A transpose matrix is from this result K A whole transpose is equal to K of A transpose. Constant க்கு transpose apply பண்ண தேவையில்ல, matrix மட்டும் apply பண்ணா போதும். So அந்த property தான் இப்ப apply பண்ணியிருக்கேன். A transpose which is equal to constant 1 by 9 அப்படியே வச்சுக்கிட்டாச்சு. Then matrix whole transpose. So A transpose is 1 by 9 of first row 8 1 4 becomes first column change பண்ணியாச்சு. Then second row 4 4 7 becomes second column மாத்தியாச்சு. Then 1 minus 8 4 becomes third column change பண்ணியாச்சு. That is a A transpose matrix. LHS is equal to A transpose is equal to, so A matrix into A transpose oda matrix multiplication la கொடுத்தாச்சு. Then constants first multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 becomes which is equal to 1 by 81 of first matrix oda row second matrix oda first column multiply பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 8 8s are 64 minus minus positive, so plus 64. Then 4 into 4 plus 16, 1 into 1 plus 1. First row multiplied by second column, minus 8 into 1 becomes minus 8, 4 into 4 becomes plus 16, 1 into minus 8 becomes minus 8. First row multiplied by last column, minus 8 into 4 becomes minus 32, 4 into 7 plus 28, then 1 into 4 becomes plus 4. Then second row multiplied by first column, 1 into minus 8 becomes minus 8, then 4 into 4 plus 16, minus 8 into 1 becomes minus 8. Then second row multiplied by second column, 1 into 1 becomes 1, 4 into 4 becomes plus 16, minus 8 into minus 8 minus into minus plus 8 8s are plus 64. Second row multiple by last column. 1 into 4 becomes 4. 4 into 7 becomes 28. Then minus 8 into 4 becomes minus 32. Last row multiple by first column. 4 into minus 8 becomes minus 32. 7 into 4 becomes plus 28. 4 into 1 becomes plus 4. Third row multiple by second column. 4 into 1 becomes 4. 7 into 4 becomes 28. 4 into minus 8 becomes minus 32. Last row multiple by last column. 4 into 4 plus 16. 7 into 7 49. 4 into 4 plus 16. Then which is equal to 1 by 81 of 64 plus 16 plus 1 becomes 81. Here minus 8 minus 8, so 16 minus 16. Here 32 minus 32. 28 plus 4 becomes plus 32. Here 16 minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. Here 1 plus 16 plus 64 becomes 81. Here 4 plus 28 becomes 32 minus 32. Then here minus 32. 28 plus 4 becomes plus 32. Here 4 plus 28 becomes 32 minus 32. Here 16 plus 49 plus 16 is equal to 81, which is equal to 1 by 81 of 81. Here 0 0. 16 minus 16 0. Here 81. 32 minus 32 0. Minus 32 plus 32 0. 32 minus 32 0. 81. So இப்போ common terms are 81 இருக்கு. So taking outside, which is equal to 1 by 81 into 81 taking outside na, so remaining 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 81 81 cancel பண்ணிடலாம். Finally we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is a identity matrix. Is equal to identity matrix, which is equal to RHS. Therefore A transpose, which is equal to identity matrix. So in the result la irundhu, hence the result A inverse, which is equal to A transpose, இதுவும் satisfy ஆயிடும்.